Hello everyone, so here it is given that K1 is equal to 150 n by m, K2 is equal to 50 n by m, K3 is equal to 76 n by m, and K4 is equal to 225 n by m. So F is equal to mg, therefore 2000 multiplied by 9.81, that is equal to 19620 n or Newton. Therefore, it is given that K2 x2 minus x1 is equal to K1 x1. So, from here we will get 50 x2 minus x1 is equal to 150 x1. Therefore, x2 minus x1 is equal to 3x1. So, from here x2 is equal to 4x1. So, I am giving this equation number 1. Again, it is given that K3 multiplied by x3 minus